In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check active sessions in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your session list and how to quickly confirm that everything you see matches your own activity, which is a simple but powerful way to keep your account secure. Start by opening your Claude account the way you normally do. Once you're in, look for your profile area. This is typically your avatar or initials near the top of the interface. Click Profile to open the menu that contains your personal options. From there, choose Settings. The Settings page is where Claude groups together preferences related to your account and security, so you're in the right place. Next, click Account. This section is dedicated to key account details, and it's where you'll find the information you need. In the Account area, you'll see the list of active sessions. Think of this list as a running log of where and how your account is currently signed in. Entries often include the type of device or browser, the approximate location, and a timestamp for when the session started or was last active. Keep in mind that locations are estimates based on network information, so slight variations can be normal, especially if you're traveling, using a VPN, or connected through a corporate network. What you're looking for here is simple. Do the devices and times align with your own usage? If you used your laptop in the afternoon and your phone in the evening, you should expect to see entries that reflect that. If you use multiple browsers, say one for work and another for personal browsing, you'll likely see several valid entries that are all yours. That's normal, and it's helpful context as you review the list. As you scan, pay attention to anything that feels out of place, like activity at a time you weren't online or a device description you don't recognize. Also consider time zones. If your device or account is set to a different time zone than where you're currently located, the timestamps may look off at first glance, even though they're legitimate. The key is consistency with your own habits. This active session section is especially useful for routine checkups. Building a quick review into your monthly digital hygiene or doing a fast look whenever you change devices helps you stay confident that your account access reflects only your usage. And that's it. Open your Claude account, click Profile, then Settings, then Account, and review your active sessions with a careful eye. Thanks for watching, and keep your digital routine simple, steady, and secure.